In this 14 question, fifth part is homework for you. In the fifth part, we have to adjacent. We have to write adjacent angle that do not form a linear pair. So adjacent angle, we know that in the two angles which is having one common now, and linear pair, we know that when on a straight line the sum of the angle is how much, 180 degree. So here we have to see the angle should not be the 180 degree, and they should be the adjacent, that angles we have to write. Now we are moving on the next one, intersecting line. So when the two lines are crossing each other or touching each other, when we are drawing these two lines, when they are crossing each other, these two lines are known as the intersecting line. So when the two lines are meeting at a one point, that point is known as the intersecting point. So when the two lines are crossing each other, these two lines are known as the intersecting line. When these two lines meet at a point, that point is known as the intersecting point. Now we are moving on the next, transversal line. So this intersecting line you have to write in your fair copy. So what is the intersecting line? When the two lines cross each other, they are known as the intersecting line. And at a point, when these two lines meet at a point, that point is known as the intersecting point. So that you have to write in your fair copy. Transversal line. In transversal line, when two lines are there and one line is intersecting these two lines, that is known as the transversal line. So see, in intersecting line only the two lines are there, but for the transversal line, this line is known as the transversal line. So when a line is crossing more than one line, that is known as the transversal line. A line which intersect more than one line. See, this is the line. If we are not drawing this line, then this is not a transversal line. This both are known as the intersecting line. But when it is crossing more than one line, when it cuts more than one line, then that is known as the transversal line. This is the line L and M. So line T is meeting here at some point, and here also it is meeting at a point. So it is crossing more than, or it cut more than one line. Then this line is known as the transversal line. It can be any number of lines, but it should be more than one. If one line is cutting this all the lines, then this line is known as the transversal line. So what is a transversal line? A line which is cut more than one line, or which intersect more than one line, that line is known as the transversal line. So you can write a definition. A transversal line is a line which cuts more than one line, then that is known as the transversal line. That also you have to write in your copy, and this figure also you have to draw, so you can understand easily what is the transversal line.